Today we are going to learn the following topics. What are the following topics? Nature of the curve, definitions of major and minor axis, major axis and minor axis. Third one is various forms of the ellipse. Fourth one is some related problems in ellipse. Already we learned about standard form of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Now we find the point of intersection with coordinate axis from this equation. If y is equal to 0, then x square is equal to a square. If y is 0, then y square by b square is 0. Then x square is equal to a square implies x is equal to plus or minus a. Therefore, the curve intersects x-axis at a0 and minus a0. Therefore, AA dash is equal to 2a. It is length of the major axis. Major axis. Now, if x is equal to 0, then y square is equal to b square implies y is equal to plus or minus b. So, the curve meets the y-axis at 0b and 0 minus b. That is bb dash is equal to 2b. It is the length of the minor axis of the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square. From this, we observe that the length of the major axis is AA dash is equal to 2a and the length of the minor axis BB dash is equal to 2b, and the point of intersection of the curve with the coordinate axis are a0, a dash minus a0 and b0b and b dash 0 minus b are the point of intersection with the coordinate axis. Now, second point is equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From this, y is equal to b by plus or minus b by a into square root of a square minus x square, and x is equal to plus or minus a by b into square root of b square minus y square. From these two equations, we observe that suppose y is real, then a square minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Suppose y is real, implies a square minus x square is greater than or equal to 0. Implies x lies between minus a2 plus a and equal. That is mod x is less than or equal to a. Similarly, if x is real, then b square minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. Implies minus b is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to b. That is mod y is less than or equal to b. Therefore, from these two inequations, we observe that those two inequations are mod x is less than or equal to a and mod y is less than or equal to b. Then the ellipse is symmetric about the coordinate axis, that is x-axis and the y-axis. Now, third point is the curve lies inside the rectangle bounded by lines x is equal to plus or minus a and y is equal to plus or minus b. What is the equation of x-axis? Y is equal to 0. But this line at a distance in b units, because the coordinates of b is 0b. So, equation of this line is y is equal to b. Similarly, equation of this line is y is equal to minus b. So, these are two axes. And equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. So, it is this line at a distance of a units because the coordinates of a is a0. So, equation of this line is x is equal to a and this line is x is equal to minus a. So, this ellipse inside the rectangle with the equation of the lines x is equal to plus or minus a and y is equal to plus or minus b, and this curve is symmetry about x-axis and y-axis already we know. Fourth point is any chord which is passing through the point C 0 0 of the ellipse is bisected at the point C. So the center of the ellipse is the point of intersection of the axis of symmetry. Now very important note andi, equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. If a is equal to b, then the equation is x square by a square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. That is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this x square plus y square is equal to a square is called an auxiliary circle. So definition of an auxiliary circle is a circle which describes as major axis of an ellipse as diameter is called an auxiliary circle. అంటే ఒక ఎలిప్స్ యొక్క మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ డయామీటర్గా కలిగినటువంటి సర్కిల్ని యాక్సిలరీ సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఒక ఎలిప్స్ యొక్క మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ డయామీటర్గా కలిగినటువంటి సర్కిల్ని ఏంటంటామమ్మా, యాక్సిలరీ సర్కిల్ అంటాం. ఇట్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ ఏ అండ్ ఇట్స్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ద యాక్సిలరీ సర్కిల్ ఈజ్ 0 0. Now we discuss various forms of an ellipse. First form is, that is we know equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 and a is greater than b and a greater than 0, b greater than 0. In this ellipse, major axis, that is a dash, is along x-axis, and length of the major axis a dash is 2a. Length of the major axis is a dash is equal to 2a. Similarly, minor axis is along y-axis. Its length is bb dash, whose coordinates are 0, b and 0 minus b. Its length is bb dash is equal to 2b. So, length of the major axis is 2a and length of the minor axis is 2b and its center is c 0 0. And very important, coordinates of the focus, that is s is one focus and s dash is another focus, whose coordinates are ae 0 and s dash coordinates ae minus ae 0. Coordinates of foci are ae 0 and minus ae 0, that is in brief form plus or minus ae 0. Okay nandi? Next, equation of directrix. Directrix is parallel to y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. It is at a distance of a by e. So, x is equal to a by e. Here, it is also another directrix. It is at a distance of minus a by d. Okay, na? Coordinates of z dash is minus a by e 0. Distance is a by e. Okay, nandi? So, it is also parallel to y-axis. So, equation of another directrix is x is equal to minus a by e. So, equation of directrices are x is equal to plus or minus a by e. It is also very important point, and its eccentricity e is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a square. These 3 points are very important. Coordinates of foci is plus or minus a is 0 and directrix, equation of directrix is x is equal to plus or minus a by e and eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square. Now, in second type, equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. In this, b is greater than a. In first type, a is greater than b. Second type is b is greater than a. Here, bb dash is the major axis, a dash is the minor axis. So, major axis is along y-axis, along the y-axis. Okay, Nandi? And length of the major axis BB dash is 2B and minor axis is AA dash, it is along x-axis. Its length is 2A. Length of the minor axis is 2A. In this, B is greater than A ellipse law. Major axis along y-axis and its length is 2B and minor axis is a dash is along x-axis, its length is 2a and the center of the ellipse is C0, 0. Foci, it is very important. Coordinates of foci are 0 plus or minus BE. That is, S is equal to 0 BE and S dash is equal to 0 minus BE. Now, equation of directrices. What are the directrices? It is L is one directrix and L dash is another directrix. L is parallel to x-axis. So, equation of x-axis y is equal to 0. It is at a distance of 0 b by e kada. So, equation of the directrix is y is equal to b by e. Here, equation of directrix is y is equal to minus b by e. So, equations of directrix is y is equal to plus or minus b by e. Very important note. And eccentricity e is equal to square root of b square minus a square by a square. In first one, a is greater than b. Ellipse law, eccentricity is a square minus b square by a square. A square. Here, the eccentricity, if b is greater than a, eccentricity is b square minus a square by b square. Okay, Nandi? In this type, again I will tell you, in this type, length of the major axis is 2b, minor axis is 2a and center already 0, 0. Foci is 0 plus or minus be and equation of directrix is y is equal to plus or minus b by e and eccentricity is b square, square root of b square minus a square by b square. Now, third type is equation of the ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 where a greater than b. In this, major axis is along x-axis and its equation is y is equal to h because it is parallel to x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 at a distance of h units. So, equation of the major axis is y is equal to h. Similarly, equation of the minor axis is x is equal to k. And length of the minor axis bb dash is 2b. Equation is x is equal to k and its minor axis length is 2b. And its center is hk. And focus is S of h plus ae comma k and first s x coordinate is h plus ae and y coordinate is k. Similarly, s dash h minus ae k and equation of directrix is x is equal to h plus or minus a by e. Here this directrix is at a distance of h plus a by e. Here h minus a by e. So, equation of directrix are x is equal to h plus or minus a by e and its eccentricity e is equal to square root of a square minus b square by. Now, fourth type is equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 where b greater than a. In this, major axis is along the y-axis and its equation is x is equal to h. Similarly, its length BB dash is equal to 2b. Now, minor axis is along the x-axis. Along the x-axis, its equation is y is equal to k. And its length is AA dash is equal to 2a. Its center is C is equal to HK. And these 3 points are very important. Foci is H comma K plus BE and H comma K minus BE. This can be briefly written as H comma K plus or minus BE. These are the coordinates of foci. Okay, Nandi? One foci is S, focus is S, another focus is S dash. So, coordinates of foci are H comma K plus or minus BE. And its directrices are L and L dash. Those equations are y is equal to K plus or minus B by E, because directrices are parallel to x-axis. So, its equation is at a distance of K plus B by E and it is at a distance of K minus B by E. So, its equations are y is equal to K plus B by E and y is equal to K minus B by E are the equations of the directrix, or briefly we can written as y is equal to K plus or minus B by E. Okay, Nandi? Now, eccentricity is square root of b square minus a square by b square. Okay, Nandi? Eccentricity is denoted by the letter E. Briefly, you note down this in your notebook. Let us know about some important definitions in ellipse. First one is chord. A line segment joining 2 points on the ellipse is called a chord. That is definition of a chord. That means a line segment which is joining any 2 points on the ellipse. That means suppose P and Q are any 2 points, joining these 2 points. Now PQ is the chord of the ellipse. P and Q are any 2 points on the ellipse. The line segment joining any 2 points on the ellipse is called chord of the ellipse. Here from this figure, PQ is chord. Now, second definition is focal chord. Focal chord means a chord which is passing through the focus, is called focal chord of the ellipse. That means any chord which is passing through the focus. Here S is the focus and S dash is another focus. Any chord which is passing through the focus is called focal chord. Okay, Nandi? Now, third definition is latus rectum. Latus rectum means a focal chord. Focal chord means chord which is passing through the focus. A focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis. Now, here PQ dash is the focal chord and it is also perpendicular to the axis of the ellipse. So, PQ dash is the latus rectum. Here also another latus rectum, that is some P dash S dash is another latus rectum. So, what is the definition of latus rectum? A focal chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the ellipse is called latus rectum. So, ellipse has how many latex rectums? 2 latex rectums. Those are PQ dash and P dash S dash. లాటస్ రెక్టమ్ అంటే ఏంటిది? ఫోకల్ కార్డు యాక్సిస్కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా ఉండాలి. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద లాటస్ రెక్టమ్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద లాటస్ రెక్టమ్స్? L, L dash and M, N. Now, what is the equation of the ellipse? X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. In this figure, A is greater than B. But what are the latex rectum means? A chord which is passing through the focus. What are the coordinates of focus? AE 0 and minus AE 0. Put X is equal to AE in this equation, in equation 1. It is equation 1. So, x square means a square e square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 from equation 1 where x is equal to a. So, by cancelling a square, y square is equal to b square into 1 plus e square is minus e square. But we know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Already we know. So, 1 minus e square can be written as b square by a square. Put this value in this. So, that is y square is equal to b square into b square by a square. 1 minus e square can be written as b square by a square. It is equal to b power 4 by a square. So, y is equal to plus or minus b square by a. So, what are the coordinates of L? L is equal to x coordinate is AE and y coordinate is b square by a and L dash is minus AE minus b square by a. Here negative y axis, that is AE minus b square by a. Okay Nandi? Similarly, the coordinates of M are, this is minus AE. Here focus coordinates S dash minus AE 0. So, coordinates of M are minus AE b square by a and N are coordinates are minus AE minus b square by a. So, the coordinates of latex rectum are L, L dash, M and N. Now, length of the latex rectum. Length of the latex rectum is equal to length of the latex rectum L, L dash is 2b square. Here y ఎంత వచ్చిందండి మనకి? b square by a. So, length of the latex rectum is equal to 2b square by a. It is very important అండి. Now, we are going to discuss one important problem in IPE. Okay నండి, 7 marks question అండి ఇది. This problem is find the eccentricity, coordinates of foci, length of the latex rectum and equation of the directrices of the ellipse 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. What is given? Equation of the ellipse is given. We have to find eccentricity of the ellipse and coordinates of foci and length of the latex rectum and equations of the directrices. Now, equation of ellipse is given 9x square plus 16y square minus 36x plus 32y minus 92 is equal to 0. This can be written as x terms అన్ని ఒక పక్కన y terms అన్ని ఒక పక్కన మనం ముందు రాసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ 9x square minus 36x plus 16y square plus 32y is equal to 92. Now, take 9 as common factor. 9x square minus 4x plus 16. Okay, now this can be written as, take 9 as common factor, 9 into x square minus 4x plus 4 plus take 16 as common factor, 16 of y square plus 2y plus 1. So, here 9 fours are 36 and 16 ones are 16. This term can be added in this side. So 92 plus 36 plus 16, because 9 fours are 16, here 16 is added, 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16, 9 fours are 36. So this term here right side also we added. So this can be written as 144. Therefore 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 144. ఇలా రాయడానికి కోసమే ఈ అరేంజ్మెంట్ మనం చేసాం. ఓకేనా అండి? సో డివైడ్ త్రూ అవుట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ బై 144. x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. Because 9 by 144 is 16. 16 by 144 is 9. Here it is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here a square is equal to 16 implies a is equal to 4. Similarly, b square is equal to 9 implies b is equal to 3. So a is greater than b. 4 is greater than 3. So now we have to find the eccentricity. Eccentricity of the ellipse is equal to E is equal to square root of a square minus b square by a square, since a is greater than b. Now a square is 16, b square is 9 by 16, square root of this. So root 7 by 4 is the eccentricity. So E is equal to root 7 by 4. Now we have to find the coordinates of the foci. What are the coordinates of the foci? It is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1, where h is 2 and k is equal to minus 1. That is hk is equal to 2 minus 1. Now coordinates of focus is equal to h plus or minus ae comma k. Now this can be written as h is 2 plus or minus a is 4. 4 into e is root 7 by 4 comma k is minus 1. This can be written as 2 plus or minus root 7 comma minus 1. That is coordinates of the focus or foci. That is 2 plus or minus root 7 minus 1. Now another point is length of the latus rectum. Now third point is length of the latus rectum. Third point is length of the latus rectum. Latus rectum. What is the formula? 2b square by a, where b is equal to what is b? 3. So 2 into 9 by a is 4 is equal to 9 by 2. That is length of the latus rectum. Fourth point is equations of the directrices. Equations of directrices. Equations of directrices is x is equal to h plus or minus a by e, where h is equal to, what is h? H is equal to 2 plus or minus a is 4, e is root 7 by 4. That equal to 2 plus or minus 16 by root 7. That is equation of the directrix. Once again I will repeat. The given equation can be written as x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus y plus 1 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. It is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. In this, a is 4 and b is 3. That is a is greater than b. Eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square, that is root 7 by 4. And coordinates of center hk is equal to 2 minus 1 and foci is 2 plus or minus root 7 minus 1. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Now length of the latus rectum Formula for this is 2b square by a, that equal to 2 into b square is 9 and a is 4, that is 9 by 2. And equation of directrices is, formula for this is x is equal to h plus or minus a by e. By simplification, x is equal to 2 plus or minus 16 by root 7. It is very important problem for you. I will give one assignment problem. All of you please do.